Hey, today we're doing an unboxing in my kitchen, mostly because I already had the setup set up. And this is actually too big to even unbox on my upstairs unboxing table, so this is really the only place that I can do it. So prepare yourself. Or should I prepare myself? Because we're unboxing, oh god, Microsoft Surface Studio. This thing is incredibly heavy. How am I gonna even do this? So there's 3 different versions of the Surface Studio, and this is the mid-level range that I have. It's the 1 terabyte hard drive. It has the Intel Core i7 and has 16 gigs of RAM, whereas the lowest version has a 1 terabyte drive, it's the Core i5, and it has 8 gigs of RAM, whereas the highest level has a 2 terabyte hard drive, Intel Core i7 as well, but with 32 gigs of RAM. I wonder if these things are upgradable. Doesn't seem like it. Also excited about this. Where are you? It's the Microsoft Surface Dial. As you guys know, one of the huge draws of the Microsoft Surface is for illustrators, designers, and creative people, because this is something that you can attach directly onto the screen. It will allow you to do all kinds of different functionality inside of different applications, especially for illustrators. You're able to just turn the dial, get all kinds of different color palettes, and it helps you with your creativity, your artistic ability. It'll make you be awesome. That didn't make any sense. Shut up. Open the box. You can't see me, but I'm doing some cutting back here. Oh boy. Wow. Whoa, whoa, whoa! It just popped right up. My God, is this awesome. Like, it just shows you that you lift it up, but that's not easy. Should I? Oh God. Oh God, it's heavy. It's heavy. Oh no. Oh no. All right, what do we have here? Okay, I'll save it. You might be important. I'll save it. Oh, what's in here? Sounds like a mouse. I was entirely 100% wrong. It's the power cable. Definitely the keyboard. Probably the mouse as well. Stylus! Where's my stylus? Here it is. I like that this is a full-length keyboard with the number pad. Now that we've got all of our stuff out, I hope there's nothing else in here. What is this? Oh, wow. Look at this thing. It's huge. look at that reflection though. So that's gonna be hard to avoid. But this thing's real thin. This is a beautiful, beautiful, whoa. Wow, my God. It's super impressive. I can imagine this getting super smudgy if you're like drawing on it all day, especially with my smudge body. How are you? You're really on there, aren't you, sir? It has an SD card slot! Oh God! I've turned it on for the first time. It's on, it's turning on, it's booting up. There's so much reflection, but I just wanted to show you the boot up screen. The first time. I got my batteries, okay. Touchscreen, I can touch it. I don't even need a mouse. English, hello. It says say goodbye to remembering and entering complex passwords. Windows Hello is a more personal way to sign into your device. Did I just unplug it? Centered in the frame, okay. I guess that was it. I just showed it my face and say hi, Cortana, hello. Okay, it's officially set up. Now let's open up the Surface Dial. Get this thing paired and ready to go. Where's my knife? God, I'm gonna hurt myself. I can't, oh, there's another, okay. Whoa, look at this. That's it. Hold the blah, 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 blah. Okay, cool. Oh, jeez, oh my goodness. This has a little sticky feel on it. So I'm left-handed, and I believe there's a setting in here that you can switch depending upon what side you would want to put it, because if you're left-handed, where's my stylus? Where's my stylus? Did I lose the stylus already? Where'd you go? Everything is like already paired and synced up. This is how I used to use a mouse that wouldn't work on reflective surfaces. I would just put it like on my stomach. So what I wanted to really show you, it's gonna be kind of difficult because there's so much reflection. Can you zoom out a little more? Does that help at all? Let's get into a drawing program. What do we have? Making sure it's you. Make sure you're centered. It's me, I promise. Okay. Yes, Surface Dial, ready to pair. Let's do it. It's lighting up. I think you just missed it. Connecting. Let's put you on. Oh gosh, look, I'm not even, this is, oh boy, okay. We're gonna be doing some great work today, guys. So now that the dial's connected and I'm inside of my program, what I can do is use this to choose different colors, like a green, and then I'm gonna color. I'll pick my, I'll do a paint like this, and that's not the right color. That's not the right color. There's also an undo. Here's a nice red. Gosh, I'm an artist. Here's some chalk. I can also do this, which is pretty cool. I can just turn this and it'll change the color. Oh, oops. It'll change the color as I turn the dial. You guys, can you see that? Can you see my art? I can even color, I can write with my finger. Look at this. Look at, oh wow! Wow! Look at, it's like a real paper. Well, my Surface is officially set up, so I'm gonna take this on up to my office and I'm gonna get it all set up and I'll show you guys the final outcome. All right, it's looking for me. Can you see me? Yes! Look at that cable management. So I got it all set up, and honestly, every time I try to organize my cables, they get destroyed. So at this point, you know what? I'm just gonna leave it at this. It's a hot mess. Right now I'm gonna play some Diablo and see how that works out. Okay, here it is. Let's return to my game. So this was my barbarian in a previous game that I played. I really haven't played this in so long, so it's been pretty fun actually to play this, but I'm gonna be traveling soon, so I'm thinking about just downloading this on my Mac so I can play when I'm traveling, but this looks really good.
The Skeleton King was once our beloved lord. Leor is very
There's just something about my character being named Justin Bieber that just cracks me up. I couldn't think of anything else creative, and I was just listening to the new remix by Justin Bieber, so that's it. That's all I've got for this video. It is super late. It is 10:09. It's past my bedtime. I'll see you guys later. Let me know what you guys think of the Surface Studio, and let me know what you guys think of, I don't know, life.